video is helpful, please hit subscribe and let me know in the comments. Factoring a quadratic doesn't have to be difficult. If you can add and multiply, you can do it. Let's take a look at x squared plus 5x plus 4. None of the terms has a common factor, so we're going to look at the coefficients for the first and last terms. The first term, x squared, looks like it doesn't have a coefficient, but it does. It has a 1. To begin factoring this polynomial, we're going to multiply the 4 and 1 to get 4. Now we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 4, but add up to the middle term, 5. Let's think of all the number combinations that multiply to 4. We have 2 times 2 or 4 times 1. When we multiply 2 times 2, we get 4, but we're looking for two numbers that also add up to 5. When we multiply 4 times 1, we get 4. They also add up to 5, so that's the number pair we're going to work with. We will need two sets of parentheses. The first number of our pair, 4, will go in the first set of parentheses, while the second number, 1, will go in the second set. Since we only have plus signs, we're going to go ahead and put plus signs in our parentheses. Now we're left with the x squared. The only way to factor x squared is x times x, so we can put an x at the beginning of each set of parentheses. So our final answer when factoring x squared plus 5x plus 4 is x plus 4 times x plus 1. Let's try one a little harder. X squared minus 3x minus 18. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 18, but add up to negative 3. First, start listing the different ways to multiply to negative 18. There's only one number combination that will also add up to negative 3. It's positive 3 times negative 6, so this is the number combination we will use. In our two sets of parentheses, we're going to put our positive 3 and negative 6. We can factor our x squared into x times x, and we're done. Let's try one last example. X squared minus 9x plus 14. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to positive 14, but add up to negative 9. If we use 7 and 2, we can multiply to 14, but they add up to positive 9, not negative 9. The only other way we can multiply two numbers to get a positive product is if we multiply two negative numbers. Let's try negative 7 and negative 2. When we multiply them, we get positive 14, but when we add them, we get negative 9. Our final answer is x minus 7 times x minus 2. When factoring quadratics, if you are very careful with multiplying and adding negative numbers, you shouldn't have too many problems factoring.